Hello and welcome back to Financial Flagship. My name is Alex and I hope all of you had a great trading week so far. We'll start off with a short announcement and let you know that our trading community will open its doors for you in September. By joining our community, you will benefit from a daily market webinar with the latest analysis in the market, every day at the New York Open, an in-depth market analysis where we'll cover any pair or asset that you request, trading setups and trade management, educational materials, as well as live weekly Q&A sessions and many more. We'll keep you updated with the exact launch date, so keep an eye on your inbox and on our YouTube videos and visit our website for more details. Now let's start off with EURUSD. In our past analysis, we correctly forecasted that EURUSD will break one of the two trend lines highlighted on our chart. For next week, we will wait for the price to correct above the resistance area and make at least one more bullish push. Moving on to Pound USD. As we forecasted in our previous analysis, the British pound made a bearish pullback. In the coming week, we expect the price to break the low again, and then we will study the price action to see if we will continue the bearish momentum or if we get signs of a potential reversal that will give a higher probability chance to happen. For dollar yen, in our previous outlook, we anticipated the price to make a small correction and continue the bearish momentum towards the support level. Instead, the price corrected more than we expected. For next week, we are anticipating a bearish move to unfold that will most likely reach the support level. Let's hop on to AUDUSD. In our previous outlook, we correctly anticipated the Australian dollar to start a bullish move that will reach the resistance level. For next week, we expect the pair to correct around this area and continue the bullish momentum against the US dollar. Let's move on to USD CAD. In our previous forecast, we expected the price to drop correctively from the upper channel line before making a new top. Instead, the price dropped without breaking the top. We see this bearish move to act as a deeper correction in order for the price to continue the bullish trend. In the coming days, we expect the price to bounce back up after breaking the support level highlighted on the chart. Guys, if you ever want to track our weekly analysis, head over to our TradingView profile in order to stay up to date with the latest market analysis and verify how our forecast is performing for every pair that we are researching. Also, if you're interested in educational materials, follow us on TradingView and stay up to date with the latest technical and fundamental trends. Okay, now let's head back to our charts and see how did gold perform last week. In our previous forecast, we correctly anticipated that gold will finish the correction and aim for a trendline and resistance breakout. In the coming week, we are expecting the pair to slowly continue the bullish momentum above the resistance area and make a deeper pullback. Moving on to silver. In our previous analysis, we forecasted that the price will correct, having a chance to make a new low. Instead, the pair ranged the entire week. In the coming days, we foresee the price to reach the confluence between the resistance and the trend line. If the price breaks those zones and corrects above, we are expecting a bullish move. If not, we can expect a fall that can reach the $22 territory. Now let's have a look at US oil. Last week, we correctly forecasted the price to make a bullish move towards the trend line. For next week, we expect the pair to correct and finally reach the trend line. Moving on to natural gas. In our last forecast, we expected the price to reach the support area before going back up. Instead, it went strongly up and made a new top. In the coming week, we expect more bullish momentum, but we would prefer to see a small consolidation before it happens. We recommend caution. Let's head over to copper. Copper started the bullish trend that we forecasted last week and it slightly broke the trend line. In the coming days, we anticipate the pair to make a small pullback and continue the uptrend and eventually break the top. Now let's head over to the crypto market and start off with Bitcoin. Morgan Stanley's investment funds have purchased approximately 6.5 million shares in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, a move that comes as other big financial institutions look for ways to provide their customers with exposure to the cryptocurrency market. Morgan Stanley invested in GBTC across more than a dozen funds, according to SEC records discovered by Decrypt. Its growth portfolio, which owns 2.3 million shares of the Bitcoin-focused fund, is now the largest shareholder. Square's Cash App is a popular method for consumers to purchase and sell Bitcoin, but CEO Jack Dorsey is a huge supporter of the leading cryptocurrency, and Square has big aspirations in the sector. Dorsey announced a new Bitcoin-focused subsidiary dubbed TBD last month, and now he revealed what it will be: a decentralized exchange. TBD intends to make a fully permissionless and decentralized exchange built around Bitcoin, however, to provide users a wide array of on-ramps for exchanging fiat currency for Bitcoin. Technically, after the correction that started on the 24th of August and ended on the 26th, we see a move to the upside as a higher probability scenario. If this consolidation breaks to the upside, the price will continue to go higher. Keep in mind that a retracement to the blue trend line is possible before climbing back up. If the price breaks the blue trend line sharply and consolidates, we may be retesting the support area before resuming the uptrend. Let's move on to XRP. In the SEC versus Ripple Labs litigation, the US Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs are still fighting tooth and nail over the SEC internal papers, with the SEC claiming deliberative process privilege and Ripple attempting to strengthen its fair notice position. In addition, Ripple has filed a motion with Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn to compel the US Securities and Exchange Commission to produce additional documents that reflect its digital asset trading policies. The beleaguered company wants to find out whether or not SEC employees were allowed to trade XRP, Ether, Bitcoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies. Ripple is seeking to obtain annual certifications that show the personal cryptocurrency holdings of the agency's staff members. It is willing to receive such information in an aggregate form. From a technical perspective, Ripple is making a bigger consolidation in this area, as we successfully predicted in the last weekly report. For this pair, we see a continuation to the upside as a higher probability move with or without a retest of the $1.05 low or the support area. On Ethereum, Bitcoin status in the cryptocurrency sector is facing a threat from Ethereum as the number 2 ranked cryptocurrency continues to gain momentum. Data provided by Bloomberg indicates a sign of increased institutional interest in Ethereum, with its 1-month forward contract trading at 8.37% premium to the spot price. On the other side, Bitcoin's rate stands at 6.58 premium, solidifying Ethereum's possible bullishness. From a technical perspective, Ethereum is consolidating in this area, which means that a move to the upside is a higher probability one than a reversal. One possible area for resuming the uptrend is the support area marked on the chart at $2,900. However, the price can continue higher without retracing to the support. Moving on to Litecoin. Finder conducted a survey of 42 fintech specialists about the future prospects of Litecoin. This survey found that most experts believe that Litecoin will touch a price point of $266 by the end of the year. This would mark gains of around 50% from current levels. However, even though Litecoin is expected to witness price gains over the course of the year, the panelists believe that the digital asset is going to continue losing relevance to other cryptocurrencies. Most of them believe that Litecoin is never going to be back in the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. Several of those panelists believe that Litecoin has been irreparably hurt by Charlie Lee's sale of his stake. A vote of no confidence by the cryptocurrency's own founder may have hurt the chances of Litecoin of being a serious contender in the cryptocurrency game. Technically, Litecoin is making a consolidation in this area, which we correctly anticipated in last week's report, and this means that the move to the upside is a higher probability move. The price can move higher right away or retest the support area marked on the chart before resuming the uptrend. Our coin of the week is Dogecoin. Turkish media reports that authorities there are investigating an alleged Dogecoin mining scam that pulled the rug on investors after amassing $119 million worth of deposits. A Monday report from local channel TV100 broke the news, with police identifying pseudonymous online avatar as the scheme's suspected operator. Authorities believe that this person and the other 11 associates managed to gather close to 350 million Dogecoin, valued at $119 million, before disappearing. From a technical perspective, Dogecoin is making a correction in this area before continuing to the upside. We see two possible scenarios developing here. One, the price continues higher from here, breaking the red trend line and continuing its way up. 2. The price goes to the red trend line, makes another leg down before resuming the uptrend. That should be all for this week, and if you found this video helpful, we will be grateful if you hit that like button below, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. See all of you next Saturday. I wish all of you a profitable trading week, and until then, trade with care and thanks for watching.